Make a great choice today with the 2018 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, power lift gate, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.